drum done land. I just got my new computer. The Lenovo, I had to take back to Best Buy because it was having problems with editing the videos. So I ordered on Amazon an Asus, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. So this is the outer box, and right here we have what's inside the box besides the computer. You pretty much just got your AC plug, your brick, and your battery, and then also you got that cable tie there. Alright, here is what the computer looks like. It's an Asus. Okay, looking on the side here, we got the inputs. We got two USB 3.0s, a LAN cable, an HDMI, and I'm not sure what that last one is. I think it's some kind of storage input device. And then on the other side, it's pretty basic. You just got one USB input and your headphone jack. There you go. And it's actually got an aluminum chassis, very attractive looking computer. So now we're going to open it up and let you guys take a look at it. Okay, as you can see, that is what the outside of the computer looks like. Take a look at the keyboard here. And you can see those. It's your backlit red keyboard. It looks very similar to the Lenovo I just did an unboxing on. And then that's a matted finish full 1080p screen. It's a nice angle from the side, and there's an angle from the back. Okay guys, I just turned it on. You can't really see the backlit keyboard because it's so bright out right now, but you can kind of see what it looks like if I do a little spin around here. Yeah, and to turn it on, you actually have to hit the top right button there. Yeah, that'll turn it on. But yeah, you can kind of see it lit up right there. But I'll give you guys a look in a little darker area. Okay guys, right there, that is noodles. And I just got through stirring those, and that's going to be my wife's dinner. It's going to be pasta. And there is the pasta without the sauce. And there's the pasta with the sauce. Got it lit up now. You can see how it looks. It actually took about maybe 10 minutes overall to set this thing up for its initial boot. And there's the default wallpaper, which looks kind of badass actually. But yeah, basically you hit the function F4 to brighten the screen. I'm checking it here in my living room. This thing's actually pretty light, guys, for such a powerful laptop. And there is the properties on this thing. You got an Intel Core i7, 2.6 gigahertz, and you can overclock it to 3.6, I believe. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, 64-bit operating system, and as you can see, I named mine Hulk. And then it also has a terabyte 7200 RPM hard drive. So anyway guys, if you have any questions on this computer, just comment below.